Are you over 60 and feeling stiff, tired, or low on energy? What if I told you that just 10 minutes of simple chair yoga a day could help improve your balance, flexibility, and strength without standing up or putting pressure on your joints? In today's video, I'll show you 7 gentle chair yoga exercises that seniors over 60 can safely do at home. Welcome to the channel. If you want to stay active, independent, and healthy after 60, these chair yoga exercises are perfect for you. They are simple, safe, and beginner-friendly. Before we begin, make sure you are sitting on a stable chair, keep your feet flat on the floor, and sit nice and tall with your back straight. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Deep breathing, 1 minute. First, we will relax the body with a simple breathing exercise. Sit comfortably in your chair. Place your hands on your knees. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose and gently breathe out through your mouth. Feel your shoulders relax and your body calm down. Let's do this 5 times together. Breathing exercises help reduce stress, improve oxygen flow, and prepare the body for movement. Exercise 2. Neck stretch. Now let's gently stretch the neck. Slowly tilt your head to the right side. Hold this position for 3 seconds. Feel the stretch on the side of your neck. Now slowly return to the center. Next, gently tilt your head to the left side. Hold again for 3 seconds. This exercise helps reduce neck stiffness and tension, which is very common for seniors. Exercise 3. Shoulder rolls. Now we will loosen up the shoulders. Relax your arms at your sides. Slowly roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion. Let's do this 5 times. Now reverse the direction and roll your shoulders backwards. Shoulder rolls help improve mobility, reduce stiffness, and increase blood circulation. Exercise 4. Arm raise, stretch. Next is a gentle arm stretch. Slowly raise both arms above your head. Take a deep breath in, stretch your fingers towards the ceiling. Now slowly lower your arms back down. Let's repeat this 5 times. This exercise helps stretch the upper body and improve posture. Exercise 5. Seated leg lift. Now we will strengthen the legs. Slowly lift your right leg forward. Hold for 3 seconds. Keep your back straight and breathe normally. Now gently lower your leg back down. Repeat with your left leg. Let's do this 5 times for each leg. This exercise helps strengthen the thigh muscles and improve balance. Exercise 6. Ankle circles. Lift one foot slightly off the floor. Now slowly rotate your ankle in a circular motion. Do 5 circles clockwise. Now do 5 circles in the opposite direction. Then switch to the other foot. Ankle circles help improve blood circulation and reduce stiffness in the lower legs. Exercise 7. Gentle seated twist. Sit tall and place your hands on your knees. Slowly twist your upper body to the right side. Keep your hips facing forward. Hold the position for 3 seconds. Now slowly return to the center. Next, twist to the left side. This gentle twist helps improve spinal flexibility and posture. Take a moment to relax. Sit comfortably in your chair. Take 1 deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Notice how your body feels more relaxed, loose, and energized. Great job! You've just completed an easy chair yoga workout for seniors over 60. Doing these exercises daily for just 10 minutes can help improve your strength, flexibility, balance, and overall health. If you enjoyed this workout, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple exercises designed especially for seniors. And remember, a little movement every day can make a big difference in your health. See you in the next workout.